Looks like the twins are awake. Whew, ready for another busy day with our kids? Good morning.
What should we have today?
Here are some breakfast recipes tailored to what's in your fridge.
Oh, sounds good.
Left the door open again.
Right.
Leave the freshness to me.
Baby, can you get him?
No worries. I'm on it. Ew, I'll come back to you later.
How am I supposed to wash this? Don't worry, I'll handle both washing and drying and... I'm counting on you.
Trust me, I'll handle it. See? It's clean and fresh.
Nice.
Oh dear, the kids might feel cold. No problem. I'll keep the wind off the kids. Finally, time to clock out from parenting. Hold on, let me work some magic. WindFree mode for sweet dreams. See, they fell asleep right away. Pretty smart, huh?
Enabling better living. Bespoke AI.